student in the next point of the making of a scientist. Then a bright and another brilliant science students got together and made a device that could show that the gold spots were responsible for releasing a hormone that was necessary for its growth. Means student, according to Dr. Kohart, a bright and other brilliant science student started to work together, and they prepared a type of device which show that the black spots of butterflies becomes due to the hormones, and that hormones were needed for the growth of butterflies. With the help of sophisticated instruments at one of the labs, he got a chance to work and found the chemical structure of the hormone in the gold spots. In one lab, a bright found a instrument which was helpful to give a chance to work on the chemical structure of hormones of the gold spots, and was helpful to know the reason of golden spots on the wings of butterflies. The structure of the hormone. Then one day, while looking at the photo of chemical structure, he solved one of the biggest puzzles of life. One day, when a bright looked at the photo of chemical structure and noticed all the points and explained a hard puzzle and solved a hard puzzle of life which was related to the DNA, and he came to know how a cell become a blueprint its DNA. It was a big break thoughts and was published in a magazine, and he discovered DNA of a cell blueprint. It was a great success to his life and biggest aim he had completed, and his discovery of DNA was published in a magazine which made him a popular scientist. And he also had many other interests and to admire to his social studies teacher as he was one who used to give him ideas. With the new inventions, Ebright had many interests and hobbies, and always curious to know the new knowledge. To see his curiosity, his social his social study teacher also admired him and gave new ideas to know about the new things, and said discovered on that this his teacher was also helpful nature, and he was good debating and a public speaker and a great canoeist. He never used to win for the sake of winning for prizes, but because he wanted to be the best at whatever he used to do. And Bright always did the work with much interest. That's the reason he was a good debater, a speaker, and a great canoeist. Means a person who travels with a boat He never did the work only to win the prize, and he did the work to take interest and wanted to increase his knowledge. And it is shown in this chapter that with the right amount of curiosity, a bright mind, and the will to win for right reasons are the qualities needed to be a scientist. And he wanted to get the best place in the world whenever he did such as. So, by this chapter, we should be inspired and learn that if we have the correct curiosity and have a bright mind and we have a will, means a wish, a aim for correct reason, then these qualities make us a good scientist like a bright. His mother also played a big role in making him what he was, as it was she who supported him throughout his journey and bought him a book, The Travels of Monarch X, which aroused his curiosity in the field of science. The mother of Ebright has a great role in making him a great scientist. Whenever he wished to take something, then always his mother supported him and helped him, and she helped him to complete his journey with it. She bought a book for him. The name was The Travels of Monarch X. After reading that book, a turning point had come in his life which increased his curiosity and made him a great scientist of the world. Okay, student, these are the some glossary for your help to understand the typical words. Okay.